Hello everybody, I'm going to show you my third version of my Deco mesh tubing chain. So you need some Deco mesh tubing like this. It's hollow on the inside. You should be able to find this at any craft store, sometimes even the dollar stores. And then you need Chenille stems or pipe cleaners, whatever you call them, or tinsel wire, whichever one you want to use. Okay, so I have gold, and then I'm using gold pipe cleaners for the inside because I just want gold on gold. I've already started the chain, and if you've watched my other videos, you know that the hearts wiggle around. They're loose on the other ones, and this one is solid and it's flat, which is different from the other ones. Okay, and I made some of the hearts already, and I'll show you how I did this. Just want to take your pipe cleaner and run it into the tubing, and then leave about an inch. It's not exact. And then you just want to cut that right where the Chenille stem ends. And then I'm going to take it and fold it over and still leave an inch, inch and a half, whatever. That you can come down as far as you want. Just leave, you need to leave at least about this much if you want to make bigger hearts, or you go up even higher to make smaller hearts, and then you would have a longer space in between. And of course, if you make the hearts bigger, you're going to have smaller space in between. And I've done it both ways. It looks good either way, just whatever you want to do. I'm kind of doing it in between this time. So I'm just wrapping that Chenille stem around as hard as I can. And if you need to use some pliers to squish it down, you can. So it just looks like that. And then I'm just going to push it in and make a heart shape. So I'm just going to pinch that and kind of fatten it up so you've got a heart. Okay, I'm going to make one more, show you. Just push that in to the tubing. When you're doing the same color, it's kind of hard to tell where the Chenille stem ends, but it's all right. There we go. Just wrapping it around. Pinch that down. Push that down and make a heart. Okay. So now I'm going to continue with the chain, and all I'm going to do is I've got some hot glue going here. I'm just going to put a little hot glue inside this part of the heart. Wait just a second. Now I'm going to put this in there. There you go. I'm just pushing it inside there as far as it'll go, and then give it a couple of seconds because I don't want to burn my fingers. And I'm just going to pinch that down so it looks like that, and then I'll give them a twist so they're going like this. Okay, again, put some glue in there. Take this, just push it into that section right in the middle. Wait a couple of seconds so I don't burn myself, and just pinch that down. You can tell where I've pinched them, where they've been hot glued, so they're staying together really well, not coming apart. And I want to take that one and go that way, and you can bend them as much as you want. You can really like that, or you can just keep it where it's not. You can make it straight, however you want to do it. I'm going to do a couple more. Just putting that like that. Okay, now I'm going to pinch. That was a little too hot. Give it a little time, make sure I'm not burning myself. Okay. One more. Hold that there, and then pinch. So you want to be able to pinch and hold down, so make sure it's not too hot. Okay. And then at the end here, I'm just going to take my pliers and I'm just going to twist that up You could make one big heart and not have an end coming off there, but I'm just going to twist it, make a little circle. And if you have some kind of embellishment, you can hot glue that there. I'm going to take one more pipe cleaner at the very end. I'm just going to wrap that through there like that. Take it like that. And then I can staple that or hot glue that to my backer. That way I'm not hot gluing this part to the backer. I'm not wasting this tubing or this chain that I've made. So I'll leave a little gap when I hot glue this to my, or staple it to my backer. I'll leave about this much room for it to come down. And there's my chain. And I will put some kind of embellishments. Like I said, I'll put one here, and I'll probably put one on the end of every one. It just adds a little something extra to it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye.